I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Charger key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once open, you will see the old battery. Notice its orientation before removing it. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's placed in the same orientation as the one you removed. This step is crucial for proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your Dodge Charger, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.